Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. It's absolutely amazing that the channel has grown this much. I really do appreciate all of your support, and I'm super excited to keep on making more videos for you guys. But as promised, the dog reveal. This one right here, his name is Archie. He's 4 years old. We got him in the fall of 2018. He loves to play with balls. He has a whole bunch of energy and he loves to cuddle so much. He's also extremely confident, but all around he's an awesome dog. And this one here is Cora. And she is 2 years old and she's a little bit shy, but once she gets to know you, she will turn out to be literally the most loving and the most sweet dog you will ever have met. Now, they're both rescues, but they're also absolute best friends, so I hope you guys enjoyed this montage that I made of them.